Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save video as MP3 file in CapCut PC application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC, and for instance, I'm going to export this video as MP3 file. I'm gonna add this video to my timeline, and if we want to save it as MP3 file, we can go to the export menu and wait, okay, and you can uncheck the video format and select audio. Okay, and this is the MP3 file format. Actually, you can also select this kind of format, but since we want to save it as MP3, we can click on MP3 and then click on export, and you just need to wait until the exporting process has completed. Okay, now it's done guys, and I'm going to open it. Okay, this is the video I have saved as MP3 file. Alright guys, and that's all the way to save video as MP3 file in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.